Dramatic photos from space capture the awesome power of Typhoon Maysak. The poor people of the Philippines just can't get a break. Less than 18 months after Super Typhoon Haiyan devastated large areas of the country, killing more than 6,000 people, many who have never been found, Typhoon Maysak is now preparing to do the same, and all in time for Easter. Although predicted not to be as devastating as Haiyan, Maysak still looks pretty damn scary. These photos, taken from the International Space Station by astronaut Terry Virts, demonstrate the awesome yet strangely beautiful power of Mother Nature. Let's hope the Philippines fares better this time around.
Your smartest, most insightful comments can win you $100 only at TomoNews.net.